Yo, what it is, guys? This is RoyalJZ back at again with another video. So this video a little different from what I normally do. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching my sister Nia. I'm gonna be teaching her how to ride a mini bike. You feel me? This is really her first time riding a mini bike. She never like really rode a mini bike like that. And I had my brother ride one before, and you know he crashed it. So I'm gonna be teaching my sister today. Come show the bike. Most of y'all already know what's on my bike. The bike, 60 plus miles per hour, 212 Predator, GT frame, and all that. And I want to say thank y'all for about 850 something subscribers. We almost to 1,000. So let's get that. You feel me? All right, guys, we about to start it up right now. Basically, I'm gonna let her say her experience of riding a bike, like how many bikes you rode. How many bikes have you rode?
I'm more of like a four-wheeler girl. Like I never really rode like a dirt bike or a mini bike, but I want to learn because it be looking so fun, and just to see a female on a mini bike, I think that would be cool. So we finna get it cracking.
All right, so we finna get the bike started, and we gonna go from there. All right, guys. So right now, I'm finna tell her what to do. This is your throttle, and don't go wide open. Just just go until it start moving. And on this side, this is your brake. Yeah, right here. So put your foot on here. And I want you to just ride the brake, like push down. You feel how it is? I want you to do that. So I want you to. I don't want you to play too much on the throttle, because you play too much on the throttle, and my bike got upgrades on it. It can go bad. So basically, just all right. Go to the throttle. And twist it. But don't twist it all the way like this. Like that. You'll be good. You feel me? So we're finna start the bike up. Come on this side. Feel me? Put the choke up. Articulate. So now you probably can't hear me, but I want you to give it a little bit more. Give it a little tap. Give it gas, you're gonna have to return it back forward.
Okay.
See how it is?
Uh-huh.
I want you to go up this. Alright, once you go up like that, come right here and stop at the stop sign. You got how it is, like right. With the throttle and stuff and the brake. Alright, so now
how do I keep my balance? With this leg.
Alright, when you ride it, alright, come over here. When you ride it, this is your other peg.
Oh, okay.
So like, feel how it is. Your feet gonna be way back there. So but once you start moving on the mini bike and you start getting speed, your balance gonna come naturally, like how a pedal bike is. So basically, I'm gonna restart it up. You can go by the car and you can come back around. Yeah, you go by Peter car and come back around. Okay. And we just gonna keep, filming. Okay. Like I said, you go home. Seem like a pro a little bit, you feel me? Kind of lost her balance right there. So she seemed like she basically got it down packed, but she's not ready for the streets like I am. But you feel me? But But you see, she down there. I didn't even tell her to go down there. She went down there, but she got it down packed. You feel me? So basically, she good. You know, I give her a month and she can ride with the big boys out here. You feel me? Or you know, get a dirt bike and ride a dirt bike. But you know, a dirt bike a whole different story. But you see, she got it down packed. She got a little bit of speed. You feel me? Got her own balance. So you got how it is, like
right.
throttle and stuff.
Yeah.
Alright, so now,
But how I keep my balance on with this leg?
Alright,
Like how where I put it at?
Come over here. When you riding, this is your other peg.
Oh, okay.
So like, feel how it is. Your feet gonna be way back there. So, but once you start moving on the mini bike, when you start getting speed, your balance gonna come naturally, like how a pedal bike is. So
Okay.
I'm gonna restart it up.
Mhm.
You go by the car and you come back around.
Okay.
And you just gonna keep, you know, feel me.
Okay. All right.
Like I said, if anything go wrong, just jump off the motor.
Okay.
So give it throttle.
All right.
Like she got it down pat, you feel me? This is her first time riding, so how did it feel to ride a mini bike?
It felt good. I just don't like how this vibrates and it kind of like makes my hands like uncomfortable. You see I got marks on my hands. I got my balance for sure. I like it. I really do. I think I'll be riding with him soon. You feel me? You feel me?
But hey, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below how you think of this video, and peace out. You feel me?